Hey guys, just about to start the trading session. Just gonna go for, let's go for 10 minutes. Gonna do $70 trades on the demo. Here's some last trades separated by different dollar bets. We're starting out at 775 for this round. And let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, just looking for obvious trades here. Got a little bit of a drop here. Hopefully it continues going. We're in a sell. Going for 21 seconds on the 5-second chart. Let's go, let's go. Got our affirmations here jotted down on our paper. I am a highly profitable trader. I am very patient. I win more than 80%. I understand trading easily. Looks like a drop is happening here. I always know where the market is going. I always select winning entries. Trading gives me energy and joy. So there you go, I just made that last night. Got a reversal here, looks like it's gonna crush us. We was crushed. Yeah, looks like it's pushing to the upside. Still looking for some nice trades. So it's probably going to keep going down. But for how long? Ooh, she almost came up and knocked us out. Okay, we got a W there, so we're 2 wins for 1 loss. Watch your posture. This is telling me it's gonna go down. This is the shape. Found a bit of support, broke through. Kind of looks like it's going to keep on bleeding. Should make a bet for the downside that'll keep going. If it comes up here, I'll go in for a sell. Almost looks like a reversal with all that buying power there. Yeah, and it gapped up. That's showing us a lot of buying power. Yeah, so it knocked us out. It's too bad. Going for a reversal to the upside. Yeah, so we shouldn't have bought on that strong candle, strong green candle. We're sold. She's blasting off to the moon. Let's try another chart. Showing a lot of buying pressure, so we got in for a buy. See if she holds on. Oh yeah, she's pushing hard. Kind of similar situation, just looks a little different than the last chart. So I'd call that a win, you betcha. Showing the strong southern trend, let's just jump into that. Did go down a bit, but we're showing some strong buying power. Oh, that knocked us out. Okay, so we kind of FOMO'd into that one, didn't really give it a lot of analysis. So moving on, let's see what else we can see here in market world. Pocket option. Got 3.5 minutes left on the clock to make some wins. So where's these winning entries, hey boys? Broke structure here. Looks like it wants to hold on, so we should get the buy here. I'm thinking it's bouncing off the MA20. Ooh, don't like this. That's showing a lot of downward action. I feel like I'm betting a little bit too much this round. I'm a little bit overconfident. So let's take a step back. Got 2 minutes left. Got in for a buy here after that strong green candle. That was so close, oh my gosh. Just barely got the win. Lots of green, little bits of red. Looks like it's trending up. Nothing really strong though. That's strong. Kind of looks like a fake out. Oh yeah, let's do a fake out. I might push straight down maybe. Okay, let's go with the south direction. Maybe we'll keep on going. Ooh, another fake out, double fake out, wow. Crushed on the double fake out. It'll probably decide now where it wants to go. Nope, still just ranging. Ten seconds left. Gotta FOMO into a move before the clock stops. It's over, boys. It's we definitely lost on that session. We got, here's your $70 trades. We got 4 wins and 5 losses. 4 wins, 5 losses, 9. So that's 4 to 9. It's too bad. 4 to 9. That's too bad. 44.5%. I think that's right. 4 wins. Yeah. Okay, so there's your 10-minute session. Below break even. Can't win them all, guys. That's why you don't bet at all until you get to be a pro, like Magnus Bestus, the best 5-second trader out there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bless. See you next time.